My name's Kelly, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple fizzy fruit juice that you can use for parties or just because today we feel like drinking something different. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is gather all your ingredients and all of your kitchen utensils. You're going to need a pitcher, something to stir with, a liquid measuring cup, and then you're going to need a light soda. I chose ginger ale and orangeade. You could use regular ginger ale. You could use Sprite or 7-Up or even Sierra Mist, whatever you want. You're going to need pineapple juice. If you use a can, you would use 1 can, or you can use 1 cup of pineapple juice if you have a big thing of it. And any type of fruit juice that you want. I chose cranberry black cherry because it gives it more of a tart flavor. If you wanted it sweeter, you could use grape juice or apple juice, or any other, maybe even just cherry juice if you wanted to. Okay, so here we go. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure my stuff out. I'm going to measure the fruit juice out first. I'm going to measure 1 cup of fruit juice. Let me go down here and make sure that that's a cup. Okay, good. Now, if you wanted to double this or make more juice or fizzy drink, I mean, you would put 2 cups of fruit juice in there. So I'm going to pour that into my pitcher. Okay. Now I'm going to put my pineapple juice in. Something to open this up with. Okay. 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 can, pouring it into my pitcher. If you want to double this recipe, you're going to use 2 cans or 2 cups. And 2 cups of soda. Look up there. Yep, it's perfect. Now, if you're going to double this recipe, you're going to use 4 cups of soda. I'm going to pour that into my juice. I'm going to take my spoon and stir it up. And voila! You have a beautiful fizzy fruit juice. If you want to get fancy with it, you could cut up some fruit and put it at the top of the fruit juice and let them float around. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. See ya!